Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram that you'll definitely want to know about: how to enable comments notifications from everyone on posts you're tagged in, all from your PC. Let's get started with the latest update. First, open your Instagram account by navigating to the website and logging in. This is your first step to unlocking those comment notifications. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see a small icon that resembles three horizontal lines, often referred to as the More icon. Click on that to proceed. Now that you've opened the More menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find various options to customize your Instagram experience. After you click on Settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. Click on it to access your notification preferences. In the Notifications menu, your next step is to click on Push Notifications. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing how you receive alerts on comments, likes, and more. Finally, locate the option that says Likes and Comments on photos of you. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select who you want to receive notifications from. Choose From Everyone, and just like that, you're all set. Now you'll get notifications for comments from all users whenever someone tags you in a post. It's a great way to stay engaged and ensure you don't miss any interactions. Enjoy the new update, and happy Instagramming.